Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between Grok 4, the latest AI model from Elon Musk's XAI, and ChatGPT, OpenAI's flagship AI assistant. Both are leading language models in 2025, but they are built with very different goals in mind. So in this video, we'll see which one truly stands out this year. So let's get started. Grok 4 is the fourth generation AI model created by XAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company. It's part of Musk's vision to make AI that is truth-seeking, real-time, and unfiltered. Unlike most AI systems that rely on static data, Grok 4 is deeply connected to the X platform, formerly known as Twitter, meaning it can pull live, real-time information from the web and social media. This gives it a huge edge when it comes to responding to current events, trending topics, or the latest market updates. Grok 4 also emphasizes tool use, meaning it can connect with external systems to perform calculations, look up data, or even automate tasks on the user's behalf. It's designed to be both conversational and action-oriented, a mix of personality and practicality. And for developers, Grok 4 isn't just a chatbot, it's available via an API, which allows programmers to integrate it into their own apps, tools, or platforms. Now let us talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is the more established and widely used AI assistant. It's built on the GPT architecture and has become the benchmark of conversational AI worldwide. Over the years, OpenAI has transformed ChatGPT from a single chat model into a full AI platform. Today, it's not just text-based. ChatGPT supports images, voice, and file uploads. You can analyze spreadsheets, generate visuals, and even have full voice conversations with it. One of ChatGPT's biggest strengths is its ecosystem. There are thousands of custom GPTs, plugins, and integrations that expand what it can do, from summarizing PDFs to generating code, writing marketing copy, and even acting as a personal tutor. It's used by millions of individuals, creators, businesses, and developers across different industries. Now let us talk about the main features of Grok and ChatGPT. We start with Grok. Real-time web access. It can pull information from the internet and X in real time. Tool use integration. Grok can perform actions beyond chats. You can do calculations, lookups, or data retrieval. Different performance modes. There's the fast mode for quick replies, and there's the heavy mode for complex reasoning or computation. API access. Developers can use Grok 4 to power their own applications. X platform integration. It is built right into the X ecosystem for premium users, making it feel like a native part of social media. How about the features of ChatGPT? Multimodal capabilities. It works with text, voice, and images, so you can upload files or talk directly to it. Custom GPTs. Users can build their own tailored chatbots with unique personalities or functions. Plugins and integrations. ChatGPT connects with tools like Canva, Zapier, and browsers for real-time tasks. Code interpreter and data analysis. It is ideal for solving math, coding, and analytics problems. It is enterprise ready. It offers security, admin controls, and API access for large-scale deployment. What is the pricing like? Grok 4 Access is currently bundled with X Premium subscriptions. This gives users priority access to Grok chatbot inside the platform. ChatGPT, on the other hand, has the free version and the paid version. The free version runs on an older model with limited capabilities, while the ChatGPT Plus, which costs around $20 per month, gives users access to the newest model, which is GPT-4o, along with faster speeds and priority features. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with pros. For Grok, real-time access to the web and X content. Built-in personality and humor that makes conversations more human-like. Faster growing ecosystem under Elon Musk's XAI initiative. And the pros of ChatGPT? Extremely polished and stable with millions of active users. It supports multimodal inputs, text, voice, images, and files. Vast integration network and plugin system. It is great for professional, academic, and business use. And it has strong safety, reliability, and data control features. What about the concept of using Grok? It is still relatively new and less polished than ChatGPT. There's limited outside integrations beyond the X platform. Some users report that it can be unpredictable or blunt due to its unfiltered approach. Smaller community and fewer third-party resources right now. And the cons of ChatGPT? Less spontaneous or humorous than Grok, it feels more structured. It requires a paid plan for the best performance, and sometimes it is slower when the demand is high. Now the big question is this: which language model is best in 2025? Honestly, I'd say it depends on what you're looking for. If you want up-to-the-minute answers, breaking news insights, or a model that feels more human, witty, and connected to the social world, then Grok 4 is a strong choice. But if you prefer stability, versatility, and professional-grade reliability, then ChatGPT still leads the pack. It has the biggest ecosystem, tons of integration, proven enterprise support, and an incredibly versatile model that works for content creation, for coding, for education, for analysis, and business. And that's it on the review of Grok 4 and ChatGPT. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Cloud 3 by Anthropic, Google Gemini, and Llama 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.